Hey guys, so today we're going to look at Module 3, the homework assignment, and basically I'm going to work through some of these as examples for you, and we're going to practice outputting the results to a text file using the technique that we learned a little earlier in this module. So basically what we're going to do, let's go ahead and look at the desktop. This list down here in the assignment are all the text files that you're going to need to turn in. You're going to need two to yahoo.com from different locations. That means you need to do one from home and one from school or something like that. You also need one to visitlondon.com and one to arzoo.com. Then you're going to go back and do the DNS lookups for Yahoo and Visit London and Arzoo with the D2 options. And then you're going to go back with these three and you're going to use the internet to look up the whois information for those three domains, and you're going to type that or copy and paste it into those three text files. So you should have a total of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 text files that you're going to turn in on this assignment. That's 7 text files, and basically you'll have 2 to Yahoo for traceroute, 1 to Visit London, 1 to Arzoo, and then you're going to have NS lookups to Yahoo, Visit London, and Arzoo. But you're also going to go back and edit those text files after you do them and put in the whois information that you're going to get from Google. So you can just Google whois, and that will take you to a whois site, and then you can put in those domains, and it will give you the whois information. So let's go ahead and pull up a command prompt, and we're going to do the trace route to Yahoo first of all, and I'm going to output that to a Ruby folder. There's a folder on my C drive called Ruby. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go traceroute, and spell it right, yahoo.com, and then we use the greater than sign. That tells us that we want to output it somewhere besides the screen. And we're going to do C:\Ruby, that's the name of the folder. And we're going to say Yahoo traceroute number 1, because remember we have to do 2 of these .text. We have to do 2 trace routes from 2 different locations. You're going to do one from here and one from the school, and one from home, or one from McDonald's, or wherever it is you can get another. What you're trying to see is that there are different paths to the same place, depending on where you are. So let's go ahead and run this. You'll notice that there's a little blinking cursor there. Basically what's happening is the text file has been created, and now the command prompt is outputting the information of that text file. If we open up the folder, you can see that the trace route to Yahoo number 1 has been created. And basically what's happening is, as this is working, the entries are being posted into this, they're being written to this text file. So shortly what we should see is this will stop blinking and we'll get a new command prompt here. So you notice the command prompt is not blinking by itself anymore. We're back to having a command prompt to enter. So let's go ahead and open up our folder and then our file. All right, so yahoo.com, there's its IP address. Basically that's the school's DNS server saying, hey, where's this yahoo.com located at? So we got the information. Let's go to the router for the school, and then we'll go to the external IP, and then here are external IPs for all the different hops. We did have one that timed out. What you need to do, according to the directions, is go back in, and in this text file, type in why these asterisks are here and what happened. All right, so we're going through the different, these are different servers. We finally hit the Yahoo domain, but there are a lot of servers. Yahoo used to be a really big internet player, and now it's kind of not so much, but they still are a big part of the infrastructure. There's still a lot of Yahoo servers out there. So we're going through Yahoo servers after Yahoo servers until we finally get to the production web server, and that's what this is. This is the Yahoo web server, and there is the IP address for that web server. So it took 15 hops. We only lost 1. Okay, guys, so next what we're going to do is we're going to use the same technique, and we're going to look at the NS command, NS lookup. Basically what that does, it gives us DNS information. So we're going to use NS lookup space dash D2 yahoo.com, and we're going to send that to C:\/ Ruby again \, and we're going to call this one NSLOOKUP yahoo.text. Now, what we're probably going to get is a non-authoritarian answer statement, but don't worry about it. You're going to think, well, I got an error, but no, you did not get an error. It just means that the information is not perfect. I don't know why, but that's basically what it does. So let's go ahead and hit it. Not authoritative answer, and that's fine because we're going to go back in. We're going to look at our NSLOOKUP, and what we're going to see is we got an answer. And basically what it tells us, there is the DNS server. That's the main DNS server that we're using here at Grayson. Let's see if we can find. We're going from Yahoo. Let's see here. Where? It's given all the quadruple A records. It's given us the A records. It's given us basically all the DNS information we could ever want. Statement of authenticity or authorization, pardon me, not authenticity. This is what we wanted to see. The NX domain record. There's a lot of stuff there. Yeah, that's what we wanted. All right, so the answers that we wanted are down here at the bottom. And basically the A record for Yahoo says that the internet address is 98.137.11.164. Also 74.6.143.26. These are all just failover. These are different servers that yahoo.com can go to for the A records. That's the regular internet DNS domains. Quadruple A, that is for IPv6. And basically that will tell us there's the IPv6 addresses. Okay, so the total, these are all the addresses that are associated with yahoo.com. Basically, they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 IPv4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 IPv6s. And basically what these are failovers. These are redundant addresses. So if one of these goes down, the other ones will pick back up. So there's a lot more than one record associated with yahoo.com. Now, basically what we would do at this point, so we've looked up for yahoo.com, we've looked up the NS option there with the D2 option, we've looked up that, we've got that saved. Now we're going to go to the who is section of Google. We're just going to basically Google who is, and we're going to get the information for yahoo.com. So let's go ahead and open up. We're going to go who is, look up, because that's what we want to do, and we're going to go yahoo.com. All right, and who is lookup for Yahoo. All right, so here is the information. Domain information, yahoo.com. It's registered to Mark Monitor Inc. It was registered in last time in 1995, which has been a while. Expires on 2024, and basically it is well protected. These are all the different DNS servers. They have their own DNS servers apparently. They have 5 of them. The registrant contact, Yahoo Assets LLC, is the company that actually is Yahoo. It's incorporated in Virginia. And basically, you can go to this website, fill out a form if you have a complaint or you need to make a comment. Administrative contact, it's the same company, same thing. Technical contact. Okay, this is what the raw Whois data looks like. They take all this information and they make it into a nice little thing for us. So what you're going to do, let's go ahead and just get this raw information. You're going to copy that and you're going to paste it into the text file. So NSLOOKUP for Yahoo, come down to the bottom, you're just going to paste it in. All right, save it. And now you can turn in this text file. Yahoo is almost complete. You still need to do one more trace route from some other place. But anyway, you get the idea. Then you're going to go back and do the same commands for, what's it called? ARZoo and visitlondon.com. So hopefully this video didn't confuse you completely on what you needed to do here. In the end, you will have 7 different text files. 3 of them will be Whois and NSLOOKUP combined. 2 of them will be to Yahoo from different locations in a trace route. The other 2 will be trace routes to Visit London, ARZoo.com. Once you have those done, you'll use the submit button on the assignment and you can turn in all those files. And once you have that done, then you should have 100 on your assignment. If you have questions, you can contact me through the Canvas inbox or send me an email, whiter@grayson.edu. Either one of those ways will generally get a response from me, although I will tell you that the email probably will be slower than the inbox. I'm in Canvas all the time, which is why I'm always all about the Canvas inbox, because I'm always there. So go ahead and if you have questions, contact me. Otherwise, run the commands, output them to files, and turn the files in, and that should be good. I look forward to seeing you guys Monday night in class, and I hope you're having a good week.